No talent. That's the words I just read. So it's not even the end of 2017 now, and people are already making predictions on what the stock market is going to do in 2018. Yeah. So this is Justin Goodbread, Financially Simple. Here's the deal. Every day now, I'm talking with people asking the question, man, the stock market's at an all-time high. Can it go any higher? Or, hey, look at these price per earnings ratios. Should we really be concerned? Both valid questions. Now, Bitcoin, the futures today are set to open up above 18,000. Seriously? All this is in the news day in, day out. So I asked the question, what does that mean for us? It takes no talent to predict or make lists about what's going to happen in the future. I mean, anybody can do it. I could say that the cows are going to fly from the sky next year. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. In fact, I read this interesting article this year where all the top money managers were giving their predictions back last year. Every one of them were wrong. No one has a clue what's going to happen next year. Are we at the peak of the market? Who knows? It could continue to climb. Could the Dow see 30,000 before it falls? Possibly. You never know. Could it hit 40,000? Who knows? When it comes to portfolio management, it's not rocket science, folks. We have to manage the portfolio to not just attack the points that I've mentioned, not just, hey, the Dow Jones could crash, or not just Bitcoin could fall, or not just, hey, inflation could kick in. We also have to deal with housing markets abroad. What happens if the housing bubble in China busts? We have to build portfolios that are able to withstand multiple attacks, not just the ones that are in the news every day. So I asked you this question, is your portfolio capable? The reason why I asked that is I'm working with a new client, brand spanking new client. We're talking a nice, well-educated man, has his own talk show. The guy is smart. He reads a ton, and he's making the same, I don't want to say rookie, but novice mistakes that many investors make, and that is trying to time the market. And whenever I began asking him questions, I hit him with one question, and he paused. What Nobel Prize-winning research can you cite for this particular decision? He stopped and he goes, well, it's just what I've read. I said, well, what have you read and where have you read it from? And he brought out a list. It ended up being somebody trying to sell him a newsletter. And it's like, dude, this is fear-mongering. Let's not worry about that. Let's build a portfolio that can withstand long-term attacks. The media is going to blow things out of proportion. You wait. The minute we have a small correction in the market, it is going to sound like Armageddon. We haven't had this in over 9 years. It could be when Bitcoin doesn't hit 18,000. It could be when Bitcoin does hit 18,000. Who knows what's going to cause it? And all of a sudden, our cell phones that we hold in our hands, our Facebook accounts, our Twitter, our Instagram, whatever, is going to talk about the apocalypse of the stock market. Question to you is, can your portfolio withstand it? Not just this first one, but what about 2019, 20, 21, 22? Because the idea of investing is to invest your money to hit your goals, no one else's. So the question is simply this: is your portfolio invested to hit your goals? And if it is, turn the financial pornography channels off. If it's not, dial the phone now to a fee-only certified financial planner who can give you advice on your side of the table that you don't have to worry about them trying to sell you something. Guys, Justin Goodbread, Financially Simple, on a cold, blustery morning. It's like 22 degrees in Knoxville. This is not right. I think I saw a polar bear run by. Hey, y'all make it a good week this week.